All right, we're going to take a look at the unboxing of a Cyclone Qs Pro hardware thingy. And this is great packaging. We're going to take a peek at this. First time, I'm kind of new to the scene here a little bit with Iagon. Looking forward to putting this to use. Okay, got our user manual, QR code, very nice. Okay, let's take a look at what's inside. It's got one separate unit there. This over. Contents of that. Our adapter pieces. HDMI. Network cable. I believe these are the feet for the base, if I'm not mistaken. It looks good. We've got some screws. It's also got some Loctite on there, whatever that purpose is for, we'll find out. And a micro SD adapter, this is for the software there. Switch this back in. This is foam top here, very nice. And here's the unit. There it is. So we're about 10 inches by 6 inches. Good form factor there. All your ports and everything. I did have it told to me that the SD card in the back, micro SD, isn't necessarily always in all the way, so it's good to pop it back out, pop it back in to make sure it's connecting. Otherwise, on install, you get kind of a roadblock with making any progress. So, all right, we've got several things to work with here. Very nice. It's got some weight to it, as expected. It's nice. Here's your drives tops. Curious to see how noisy it is, or if it's a quiet fan and that kind of situation with it all, but looking forward to putting it to use. Finally arrived.